We'll guide you through how to fix the iPhone alarm sound volume being too low. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as it means it doesn't go and wake you up and you can end up being late or something like that. So we've got some different fixes you can try for this. What you need to do is come out of the alarm app like so and open up your settings. Now what you want to do is go and scroll down like this and go and find the option for sounds and haptics and go and tap there. Now, what you want to do is come into ringtone and alerts. And here you're going to go and have a volume control. Now, this is the volume for your alarm, and it's also your ringtone and other alerts as well. So what you want to do is you can try increasing this like so and go and see if that's better. What you can also do as well is switch off change with buttons. Otherwise, when you're changing your volume with your buttons, you can go and change the ringtone and alerts volume. Another setting you can adjust if you come back here is you want to come into Face ID and passcode. I'll go and enter mine now. What you want to do is go and scroll down and find the setting Attention Awareness Features. So this can actually go and lower the volume depending upon the detected attention. So you can go and turn that off like so and go and see if that solves the problem. Hopefully that's fixed the low volume problem for you.